Hi, I'm Aaron Heilers, and I'm the project manager for the Blanchard River Demonstration Farms. Ohio's agriculture sector is committed to finding workable solutions to the state's water quality challenge. The Blanchard River Demonstration Farms network is part of this overall effort and is one of the first of its kind in the nation. The 5-year project is a unique partnership between the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Natural Resources Conservation Service, or NRCS, and the Ohio Farm Bureau, which is Ohio's largest general farm organization. It's a Great Lakes restoration initiative designed to showcase and demonstrate leading-edge conservation practices to improve water quality in the Great Lakes. The 3 demonstration farms are located in Hardin and Hancock counties, and were selected to reflect the makeup of agriculture in the western Lake Erie Basin, regarding crops and livestock, farm sizes, soil types, topography, and current farming practices. The 3 farms are located within the Blanchard River watershed, which was identified as a major contributor of sediment and nutrients into Lake Erie. The farms are a good cross-section of traditional agriculture across the basin. We have Staedtler family farms in Macomb, owned and operated by Dwayne and Anthony Staedtler and their families. The Staedtlers farm about 1,000 acres of corn, soybeans, and wheat, and also have a 7,200 head hog operation. As a large livestock facility, this allows us to showcase how animals are raised in today's modern housing. Tour groups can see into the nursery facility where the baby pigs are raised, and hear directly from the farmer about the pros and cons of raising animals in these facilities. The farmers discuss how they manage the nutrients produced from the pigs and how methods of application can impact downstream water quality and crop health. The second farm is Curt Farms, owned and operated by Curt. Chris farms about 500 acres of corn and soybeans. Chris is transitioning to a no-till system. Like many farmers, Chris relied on some method of tillage in the fall or spring to prepare his fields for seeding. But in a no-till situation, he eliminates the need to disturb the soil and instead plants his seed directly into the untilled soil. He is also adding cover crops into this rotation to help aid in this transition. Chris also has many edge-of-field practices like filter strips, phosphorus removal beds, and a 2-stage channel. As a relatively small operation, Chris offers the opportunity to measure the impact of how these conservation practices affect his economic bottom line. The third farm is Kellogg Farms, owned and operated by the father and son team of Bill and Shane Kellogg. The Kellogg's farm about 5,000 acres of corn, soybeans, and wheat. In contrast to the Curt farm, the Kellogg's can utilize different tools that may be more cost-effective for an operation their size. The Kellogg's are also changing management practices, going from a conventional tillage system to a strip tillage and no-till system. Like Curt, the Kellogg's relied on fall or spring tillage to prepare their fields. They are now using a toolbar that only tills a small band or strip where the fertilizer and seed will be placed. We are measuring the impact of different management systems over the course of the project, comparing crop yields, soil health, and their financial bottom line. As conservation planners, we have to be able to reach every farm size and make conservation fit their individual operation. Having the 3 demonstration farms allows us to analyze conservation across this spectrum. The purpose of the project is to demonstrate to 3 audiences: farmers, the non-farm public, and policymakers what kind of traditional and innovative conservation technologies exist, and to analyze the economic and environmental benefits of those practices. The farms are testing the effectiveness of conservation systems in controlling non-point source pollution. They are serving as real-world teaching laboratories with scientists conducting research such as edge-of-field monitoring to better understand nutrient runoff and how to contain it. Seeing these practices in use and learning how they are having a measurable impact, both financially and environmentally, is helping farmers determine which practice is best for their farm. Open to the public, the demonstration farms have drawn a wide variety of visitors, including county commissioners, environmentalists, media, state policymakers, researchers, and students. Thousands have learned from experts about various conservation measures and water quality research through on-farm tours and off-farm presentations. The ultimate goal of the 5-year project is to show that clean water and productive agriculture can coexist, and that Ohio's agriculture sector is committed to addressing the state's water quality challenges. Research shows farmers can impact downstream water quality by implementing conservation practices in 3 areas: in the field, at the edge of the field, and in the stream. The demonstration farms are dedicated to finding the right combination of management practices that individual farmers from across Ohio can implement on their farms and know with confidence that they are meeting water quality goals. At the same time, non-farmers are getting a better understanding of why Ohio's water quality problem is a complex one with no simple solution.